And here's our new wet dry vac for cleaning hardwood floors, linoleum, tiles. It comes with its charging station there that also will help as a cleaning station. You set it in. And up here you can see when you set it.
Charging started. Please start self-cleaning.
So you got your charging starting, you got your self-cleaning button here, and your power button. And that shows your charge. You also have a Wi-Fi on it. It has an app you can put on your phone. You got your soap dispenser and water fill right here. This comes easily off. And for filling, and you just take it and snap it back in. And then when you're ready to go, you got your power button right up here. And you'll hit it.
Auto mode.
And it's in auto mode. Just put your foot on, pull back, and you can start cleaning. You can also switch up here between auto mode. And that's the echo mode. And you can tell it's starting to clean the floor there. It's real easy. It's power driven, so as you can tell, I'm just barely got my finger on the handle, and it just real easy to use this. This is a very nice, lightweight little unit.
I did this area over there. I did all of this area, the dining area. Usually I use my Mila to get all of the dog hair up first. I have 3 dogs, 2 French Bulldogs and a Staffordshire Terrier. And they leave their little hair everywhere, their little dust balls. So I did not do the back of the back rooms. I just did this room. The floors are nice and clean, as clean as they're gonna get this time. This was the first time I've ever used it. So I did move everything out of the way and then I put it back. So it's pretty clean. Pretty clean. So the problem is I hardly had any water in the tank, in the dirty water tank. Hardly had any water in there, and it hardly used any water in here. It's still really full, so maybe I just didn't use it long enough. I still have 2 bars of battery left. I'm gonna run a clean cycle. I cleaned out the filter. I am gonna put pictures on there. The dog hair didn't do a good job of filtering all the dog hair, and it did get it on the floor every once in a while. But other than that, it did a good job.
Cleaning is starting, followed by quiet drying. Roller cleanliness detecting. Soaking the roller. Scrubbing the roller in 2-way rotation. Auto mode.
Okay, here's the jelly. Keep it. Okay. And you cleaned it right up.
The milk.
Here's the milk. No issues at all. And it's showing where it's dirty at on the machine. And when it gets clean again.
No
Okay.
way.
Wow. Alright. Let's clean the chips up.
What? Oh,
Wow. Let me go over it.
Mommy, can I step on the lines?
Cleaning has stopped.
Yeah.
Mommy. Mommy.
Eco mode. Sponge mode. Auto mode. Auto mode. Max mode. Eco mode. Sponge mode. Self-cleaning is starting, followed by fast drying. Roller cleansing assistant. Soaking the roller.